Unraveling the phrase, a bad seed, meanings in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations, a bad seed. Understanding such phrases is not only fun but also enriches your language skills and helps you grasp the nuance of English expressions. So let's get started. The phrase, a bad seed, refers to a person who is considered inherently bad or troublesome. The key word here is seed, which symbolically suggests something that grows or develops over time. When someone is labeled a bad seed, it implies that there is something fundamentally and naturally wrong or corrupt about them that will likely result in negative behavior. The term has its roots in the belief that character or behavior can be inherited and that someone's negative traits can be traced back to their family or their upbringing. Interestingly, seed, in this context, is used to metaphorically represent the idea that qualities are passed down from generation to generation, much like how a plant's traits are determined by its seed. To help you understand how to use a bad seed, let's look at a few example sentences. Even as a child, he was always getting into trouble. His teachers often whispered that he was a bad seed. The novel portrays the character as a bad seed, someone whose criminal behavior seemed inevitable. Despite coming from a respected family, she proved to be a bad seed, continually defying societal expectations with her actions. While a bad seed is a popular phrase, it's essential to handle it with care. It suggests an unchangeable nature, which can be a harmful and inaccurate way to view people. It's crucial to understand the context in which it's used and to differentiate between using it in fictional narratives versus describing real individuals. There are several synonyms and expressions with similar meanings that you can use. Troublemaker, rogue, miscreant, rebel. Using synonyms can add variety to your language and can be less harsh, depending on the context and tone you wish to convey. I hope this exploration of the phrase, a bad seed, has been informative and intriguing for all of you English learners out there. Remember, phrases like these add color and depth to your language skills, so keep learning and practicing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.